Okay. Hola. Hello. Welcome to, whatever the fuck this video is gonna be. I'm gonna try to change my taillights. It's supposed to be quick and easy. I got these new fucking beautiful series. No, I just gotta remember this is the opposite light. So, hopefully it's supposed to be quick and easy and simple. I'm hoping it is. I don't know. I don't have much daylight either, so we'll see what happens. I figured it out. It's a pole. Those are old. Oh, there's water on it and shit. No, I'm not replacing the bulbs yet. I just didn't go buy them. I will replace them at some point, but today's not that some point. Today's not that point. Those are the new lights. I think that's gonna look sick on this edition. I think I figured it out. I think I'm stupid. Yeah. Figured it out. You gotta connect it into the actual, light socket part. So I don't have to buy any bulbs for the rear. That's pretty cool. Except I do have to keep this bottom bulb. That has to be plugged in. So here we go. There's one. Put that in the bottom and twist it to the side, just like so. And then do this. Bring that up. Oh yeah, I already like the look. Oh, that looks sweet, doesn't it? Oh yeah. Oh, that's the zoom. Wow, did not know that. Oh. Well, hello there. Wow, that was shitty quality the whole fucking time. Yeah, so there's that. Alright, there's my test. They light up, they work. I have to put these screws back in. Break screw. But there's one light. Oh, it does not. It's a good thing. Keep that out of sight. Ooh, love that I have DeWalt magnetic and Milwaukee. You never thought you'd see. Probably more than often you see, honestly. Milwaukee DeWalt type shit. Alright, now I learned you just go ahead and hold on. Be nice to have. It's okay. Oh shit. Sadly, that piece just broke off. Beautiful colors, factory by the way. Let me find a piece like that in a second. So let's remove these. Ooh. Doesn't that sound good? I have to go this way. That's just gonna be terrible. No. You go the other way, right? Fucking. Oof. No. You don't apparently. Wait, why do you go this way? I don't like that you went that way. That's fucked up. Well, here's the other tail light. Let's do that. I'm gonna unhook this. This light was a pain in my ass. Oh, I actually don't unhook that. I just take out the bulb. Yeah, so do this real quick. Got that. There, now that bulb's out. Keep this bulb in. There we go. Alright, here's that one. Then could have done the bottom one first. I decided not to. Probably because it's just as fucked up. That's not even gonna work. It's, to be real honest, it's pretty stupid. I think I'm gonna disconnect this. Well, just plug in. Somehow, line that one up. Alright, there we go. Just screw these in real quick. Enough where it can hold the light a little bit. Walk around. It's a clean ass light. Unfortunately, this didn't come with any hardware, so I kind of just go with it. All right. There, beautiful. Now, I click my key. It shall. Perfect. There's the back, so that's kind of all I had. Alright, well, this one's pretty easy. I'm gonna install the front now. I changed. It's also colder because it's the next day. That's okay. I need this 10 though that I throw it here. Well, I'll have to take off the whole grill assembly. It's a bit chilly. It's the next day. Don't worry, you won't hear this part. It'll be sped up. That one, and then there's a super long one in there. I just hope I can reach it when I get to it.
Ride the hallway, ride the bus. Walk my house, look like I'm in plus. Walk in the strip, she gon' make it buzz.